Wow.
Oh my god!
That's crazy.
Hello guys, welcome back to KC Gaming, or it's KC Gaming, whatever. We're back with The Wolf Among Us. This is, part 4. And we are at the Trip Trap, I think, bar? Is that what it's called?
Yeah, the Chip Chop
Yeah,
Bar.
something like that. But yeah, so let's get started, I guess.
Yep, let's get into it.
A lot of these walk out the door?
Yeah, it's called advertising.
Oh look,
Get
the
a
cigarettes he
refund?
smokes.
Fuck you.
Um,
The word's getting out.
Oh, that's what it was?
I think it looked like them.
Mm-hmm.
Whose is that?
Someone who left.
That means he's still here.
Enough already. Just tell me where he is.
I told you. I don't know.
He a regular?
I don't know who you're talking about.
The one with the bald head and the beard.
Never seen him.
She's in the picture with him.
She is?
Yeah. Her face is kind of cut off, but you can see her.
Oh.
See her hair.
Let me
Someone-
solve the mystery for you.
Someone's
They're
killing on that
pickled
instrument.
eggs.
Oh, I know what they are. I'm just trying to figure out why anyone
Pickled
would eat
eggs.
this.
Huff and puff.
Why did that pop up on my screen? That's weird.
What?
Damn.
Unless that's part of the game.
What popped up?
It was like, something about home screen
Nah.
volume or something.
No, that's not a part of the game.
A lot of stools in this place.
Triangle.
You got a problem, friend? I don't like you. And now you're sitting right next to me. You could ask me to move.
You gonna order something? Or you just here to bother my customers?
Poison him.
Hmm?
You know
If he
what I
orders something,
mean.
she's gonna poison him.
Right?
Give me a Midas gold.
You want a line?
Sure. No. Because she'll
No.
poison me.
Well,
Ah.
I don't got any anyway.
Think that's funny? Yep. Think it's fucking hilarious. It was alright.
What's this guy's problem?
Right. Square.
Come on, guys. I don't want to be here. You don't want me here. The sooner you answer my questions, the sooner I'll be out of here.
Regulars and employees only. Regulars? Wow. Never seen that.
Maybe because it's only in the game.
Ollie, you're out of paper towels and
Dude just got done doing a dump. Dropping a load off. A dump.
Triangle? I don't know what that means.
Number one or number two?
Oh.
For your sake, I hope it was two. Otherwise, you're probably shitting your pants right now.
you and me been going at it for hundreds of years. I'm through fighting.
Woody. That makes two of us. You're in luck. I decided to switch seats.
Triangle.
Horse.
Last fella put his hand on me. Ended up with an axe in his head. Last fella I put my hand on. Ended up in the ground.
It's okay, Grant.
Oh, is he his bodyguard or something? Mind your own
just a
business.
friend.
He said he doesn't like him yet. He wants to be all up in his business. Like, hello?
It's
Right?
funny. Just a minute ago,
He wants
no
him
one
to be
seemed
out
know
of
who
here.
you were.
Yeah. Well,
Huh?
everyone
I said he
knows
wants
you.
him out of here.
Big bad wolf. Well, I'm the bad guy and you're a sheriff. Kind of fucked.
Square.
Come on, Woody. You know why I'm here.
You want to know what happened?
Amongst other things, sure.
It's funny. The shit you're willing to do for money. I'd walked past her place for weeks. She didn't look like it. She had money. I was sure of it. She wouldn't put up any kind of fight. I was gonna rob her. And the night I finally get up the nerve to do it, there you are, fucking things up for me. You were just in the wrong place at the wrong time. I wasn't there to save her.
So, you were planning on robbing her?
Yeah, her and her grandma.
Grandma? Wait, what are you talking about?
Red Riding Hood, her grandmother. I was there to rob them. But when I showed up, you were already there, lying in the bed. I only saved her because I thought she might give me a reward. But she didn't give me shit. Except a bunch of people thinking I'm something I ain't. I played along as I could. Only thing I managed to get from it was a free drink every now and again.
Circle.
Lot of good that did.
Did you kill Faith?
What? Faith? Who's
The
that?
girl you were beaten on this morning.
No.
Hey.
No, I was here. I swear.
Doesn't look good when a girl you were just smacking
What?
around shows up dead hours later.
The girl he was beating on this
She's
morning.
dead?
Yeah.
Oh.
Listen,
When we were fighting him.
I'm a piece of
I thought
shit.
he
okay?
died.
I know that.
You thought he
I
died.
hit that girl. I did.
Yeah, because
I shouldn't
she
have.
put
I
an axe in
didn't
his
kill
head.
her. You believe me, right?
No.
They're gonna string me up, Big.
He did have the axe in his head, but no. You know, when we were looking in the mirror, we were looking at him.
It looks really bad, but I didn't do it.
He was here. That's the fucking truth, Sheriff.
You see? Bigby, please. You can't. They'll throw me down the witching well. That's what they'll do. And I didn't do it. You
Think
know
you did
that.
it?
No, I don't think so.
Hey, stop! This isn't what I want.
Oh, shut the fuck up, Woody! Shit ain't just about you. It's about this fucking lapdog. Only comes sniffing around this part of town when the rich fucks in the woodlands need a shakedown. Ain't that right, Bigby? You're backing the wrong guy. If you saw what I saw last night, you'd know that. What I see is someone who wouldn't be here if I was the one needing the law for some help. Holly's sister goes missing. No one gives two shits about her. Paperwork, waiting rooms, and that bitch Snow White looking right past me, then ushering me out the fucking door.
Square.
I wouldn't call her that. It's happened before, and it doesn't end well. I didn't realize you were the bitch of the bitch. That all you got? Seemed to be enough. Don't be so sure. Oh, good.
Bruh.
What is
The
that?
heck?
That's the guy from
What is it?
Walked out of here.
The Nightmare Before
Had a
Christmas.
chance.
Come on.
The
You're
boogeyman.
scaring the lady.
Don't worry about me.
Thanks. Oh my god.
They're trying to kill us.
Mm.
Said they're trying to kill us. Hmm?
Return to the wolf.
We need to give us some powers. Right in the kisser. Got him in his bad eye. Man, this guy's making a statement.
He's had enough.
Ego thing being destroyed.
Right.
Oh.
Oh, what should I do? Tear it off. Walk
There we
away.
go.
That would be the sheriff thing to do.
Yeah. So I guess they all hate the wolf, so we gotta have, you know,
Like, I'm not a
the
bad
wolf
guy.
isn't so bad, right?
Yeah.
Whiskey.
What did she turn into a beast for? What she was gonna do?
Right.
Double.
Bruh. Free beer tomorrow.
Right. You come in here anytime you need, man.
Bruh.
Change back so quick. Pay for his drink. Oh, pay for the drink. Oh, yeah.
Where?
The sheriff thing to do.
Shit. It's not like you were gonna pay for
Oh.
it anyway.
I did give my money to her.
Don't even.
Oh, you just
think
embarrassed
about it.
yourself.
Right.
Is this the type of treatment I can expect if I let you take me in?
Yes. Where?
If you run, it'll be worse. Trust me.
Alright, I got $100 for the first bloke that can tell me something about a girl named... Fuck.
What do we go for?
Oh my gosh. I don't. What do you think? I don't know. Maybe
Alright.
the left. I think right.
Love? Love?
Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, we can go for him, I guess.
Fuck, man! That's not necessary!
Shit.
He's the one you want, not me!
Your brother won't be saving you this time. Come on. You're under arrest.
I told you I didn't do it.
And you got nothing to worry about.
I think we made the right choice. Hopefully, I don't know.
Potentially. We'll probably run into him later.
Yeah.
Or he'll get out of town.
Why was he running if he didn't do anything? It just makes you think.
I guess he just doesn't want to talk to him. That was some
Yeah.
big handcuffs.
do anything stupid, and I'll throw you down the witching well myself.
What happened here?
Wait. Oh, they found the head?
Maybe. You know who man that is?
Wait.
Beauty.
Oh goodness.
Wow.
Oh my god!
That's crazy.
Not her!
The gas. You were blaming it on her. Cut it out.
I knew something was probably gonna happen to her. Oh my gosh, no!
That's
I got
crazy.
something very special.
Aw.
It sucks.
Where's your brother?
Fuck you! Give me one good reason I should tell you anything.
Serial killer.
Oh my.
A serial killer? Oh god, and it's one of us?
The woodsman's still walking the streets.
We've got to put a lid on this. If you can't manage it, I'll find someone who can.
I
Are
found
you
out
okay?
where she's been staying.
I know she's here. You must have seen her. What are the two of you hiding?
Huh?
Doesn't matter.
I said, are you okay?
You just want to punish someone. We can arrange that.
What did you do?
Friend
Yeah.
on friend. At the end of the end.
Jesus Christ, Bigby. Is that you?
Smoking mirrors.
Well,
Yeah. Well,
that was a lot just happened.
that was.
That
Let's see what this
sucks.
is. Did you give Faith your money? You and 84.5% of players gave Faith your money. Did you tell Beast the truth about Beauty? You and 59% of players lied and said you haven't seen Beauty. Where did you decide to go first? You and 30.8% of players went to see Prince Lawrence before helping Toad. What happened to Prince Lawrence? You revived Prince Lawrence, but he died by his own hand. Don't remind me.
Wait.
Who is your prime suspect? That's the... You and 4.4 players pointed their
Yeah,
finger.
that was an accident, guys.
Right. Who did you arrest? When it came down to the wire, you and 68.7% of players made sure Tweedledee didn't get away. Join the discussion now. Well,
I'm so sad about snow.
hmm?
I'm so sad about snow.
Yeah, that sucks.
Well, guys, that was the end of.
That was episode 1, but
Yeah.
that's part. That may be part 5, I think. You know, we just did part 3, but we're gonna split that into 2.
Yeah.
So it's part 3 and 4. So this is part 5 of episode 1.
Yes. In the comments below, if you guys, what part has been your favorite so far,
Right, let us
and what
know.
character you like is your favorite character.
Right. Did you see
I
Beast
think
in the
mine
next
was
episode?
Snow White.
Snow White?
No.
Did you see Beast in the next episode? He's looking, well, not Beast, but Big B.
Yeah.
He's looking like a real werewolf.
Right. What about you? Who's your favorite character?
The sheriff. He's just, he's cool. He's cool. But yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget
Yep.
to like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate you guys watching, and be on the lookout for episode 2.
Yep.
Yep,
Exciting.
it is. That was really a jaw-dropping moment right there. Didn't expect to see snow. You know,
Decapitated.
there you go. Body was gone. And she was
Ah,
just
that
telling us. She
sucks.
was just telling us, to be safe. Maybe that was foreshadowing. She was just telling us to be safe, but she ended up, having that happen to her. That sucks. Now we
I
need
think that
to,
was. I don't think we could have done anything with that because we didn't give an option for her to stay with us. So I think
yeah,
that
yeah,
was.
we couldn't. That had to happen.
That
We have to
sucks.
avenge her now. Definitely. Whoever did that, put them behind bars.
No.
But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one though. Have a great day. Have a great night.
Have a
Whatever
great
it may
morning.
be. Hey, have a great morning. We'll see you
Yes.
guys in the next one. Bye.
Peace.
Peace.